Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Thanks for joining me today. Today, as you can tell by the title, this is my second attempt of trying to make the cream cheese fruit. What is this thing? Cream cheese fruit Danish. I wasn't going to post it at first because I was just over it, but maybe you guys can do a better job than I did. I just couldn't get it right, but I still wanted to post it and throw the idea out there. So thanks for watching, and I guess continue to see me mess this thing up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.